Antarctica, the last frontier. Welcome to the ultimate land of mystery and a continent shrouded in ice, silence, and awe. It's the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Often overlooked in the hustle of the world's bustling continents, Antarctica is a land like no other, a place that challenges human survival, yet captivates the mind and spirit. Let's dive deep into this icy wilderness, where the beauty lies in the barren landscape and the harsh conditions push the boundaries of exploration. Geography and climate, the land of ice and extremes. Antarctica is like nothing you've ever imagined. Almost entirely covered by ice, about 98% of it, this is the largest desert on the planet. Despite being frozen, let's break down some of the continent's key features. The Antarctic ice sheet, the largest single mass of ice on Earth, covering over 14 million square kilometers. Mount Vinson, the highest peak on the continent, standing tall at 4,892 meters. The Transantarctic Mountains, a massive mountain range splitting east and west Antarctica. Ross Ice Shelf, the largest ice shelf in the world, floating over the Southern Ocean. McMurdo Sound, a key research area, often a gateway to Antarctic exploration. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures that can plunge to minus 80 degrees Celsius, minus 112 degrees Fahrenheit, in the winter. Even in the summer months, it can still be freezing, with average temperatures ranging from minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, to minus 5 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Fahrenheit. The winds here are extreme, gusting up to 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour, making it feel even colder. The continent is so dry, it's considered a cold desert, with little to no precipitation, except near the coast. Wildlife and ecosystems. Life on the edge. Though it seems like an inhospitable wasteland, Antarctica is far from lifeless. It's home to unique wildlife that is adapted to the freezing conditions. Penguins, emperor penguins, the largest species, endure the harshest conditions and breed in the coldest parts of the continent. Seals, Weddell seals, leopard seals, and crab-eater seals thrive in the frigid waters. Whales, blue whales, orcas, and humpback whales migrate through the Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica. Birds, the continent is home to seabirds, like the snow petrel and the Antarctic petrel. Microorganisms, extremely adapted bacteria, fungi, and algae are some of the hardiest forms of life on the planet, surviving under layers of ice and in the frigid waters. While terrestrial life is minimal, the seas surrounding Antarctica teem with life, forming the basis of the Southern Ocean's food chain. Human presence, a continent of science. Despite being a land of extremes, Antarctica has not been left uninhabited. The Antarctic Treaty System, signed in 1959, prohibits military activity and ensures that the continent is used solely for scientific research. Here's what you need to know about human presence. Research stations. Over 70 research stations from countries around the world exist across the continent. Some are temporary, while others are international collaboration. Scientists from various nations collaborate on global scientific research, focusing on climate change, glaciology, and astronomy. No permanent residents. No one lives permanently in Antarctica. Researchers and support staff live in the stations, rotating in and out throughout the year. The South Pole. The geographic South Pole is a major point of interest. With a U.S. research station, the Amundsen Scott South Pole Station, located there, the primary reason humans traveled to Antarctica? Science. It provides an untouched environment for research into climate change, ecosystems, glacial movements, and the Earth's past climate. Antarctica's global importance, a key to the future. Antarctica may seem isolated, but its role in the global ecosystem is more critical than ever. Here's why. Climate regulation. Antarctica plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. The ice sheets reflect sunlight, keeping temperatures cool, and the continent acts as a massive heat sink. Rising sea levels. The melting of Antarctica's ice is a significant contributor to rising sea levels, making the study of its ice sheets essential for predicting future climate changes. Global conservation efforts. Protecting Antarctica from exploitation is vital. The continent's untouched nature makes it a symbol of environmental preservation. Fun facts about Antarctica. No time zone. Antarctica doesn't have an official time zone. Researchers use time zones based on the country's operating stations there, or the international meridian. Asterisk, the coldest temperature ever recorded, a mind-blowing minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, asterisk, at the Soviet Union's Vostok Station in 1983. It's the only continent without a native human population. The native population is purely scientific personnel, with no permanent residents, no trees or vegetation. The land is so cold that nothing larger than moss and lichen can survive. WHIANTARCTICA, the final frontier. Antarctica is far more than just an icy wasteland. It is a living laboratory, an environmental treasure chest, and a reminder of the fragile beauty of our planet. While no one truly owns Antarctica, its importance to global scientific research, climate change studies, and wildlife conservation cannot be overstated. It's a place of extremes, yes, but it's also a place of wonder, where life survives in the harshest conditions, and where the mysteries of our world's future are uncovered. Are you ready to explore the ice-covered land that holds the key to our planet's past and future? Let's venture into the final frontier of Earth and